Here we have a really nice 2019 Toyota Tundra. This Tundra is a TRD Sport Edition. Very nice unit. LED daytime running lights, fog lamps. It's got 20-inch aluminum wheels on it. It's got side step assist. It's got vent shades installed already. This truck is a double cab. It's got a hard folding tonneau cover on it. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. Shows really well. Really nice looking Toyota Tundra. It's got aftermarket tail lights in it. Backup camera right there for you. It's got a bed liner, nice and clean. Trailer hitch already done. As you see, this truck is a really nice looking truck. Looks really, really good. Works really, really good. Go ahead and show you the inside. We'll start with the back. Inside's really nice leather, TRD Sport. Floor liners that cover the entire carpet. Lots of room in the back for cargo. Power sliding rear window in this unit. It's got a 5.7 liter V8 engine. We got power door locks, power windows. Over here on the dashboards, power mirrors. There's our rear window button to open it. Audio settings here on the steering wheel, as well as driver information center settings, cruise control. We have lane keep assist. There's a built-in trailering brake right there. There's our four-wheel drive selector. This truck has satellite radio built in, XM. Of course, automatic transmission. As you can see, the truck shows really, really nice. It's a very nice, clean truck with only 185,000 kilometers on it, which is nothing for the Toyota Tundra. If you're looking for a nice pickup truck and you only need a double cab or an extended cab, come check out this 2019 Toyota Tundra that you can only get here at Steele GMC Buick.